One is called Valentine's wave. As I lay down to sleep, the wave of kisses fills the air. Love is gliding through the air. With its gentle touch, it makes itself known. It makes itself known with its breathless embrace. It leaves a mark on every heart. With its fluid nature, it touches the depth of every soul. Love is here and now. Love expands and expresses itself in all varieties. Open your heart wide. Roll with the flowing rhythm of love. The Valentine's wave is here. It will linger in the air from now till forever. Embrace it, make it your own, for love has chosen to make a home in your heart. As always, this is Keroy. Enjoy the love season. It doesn't have to be short lived, it can be from now till forever. Reading from Divine Soul Whispers. You can find my book on Jumia or send me a message for a soft copy. Talk to you soon. Bye.